So today Google's just released for you a COVID-19 pack where you can customize your message and then put it on your shop front. It's there to help small local businesses like yours succeed. So I'm going to show you how you can get your free marketing and particularly COVID-19 pack. Hi everyone, so this is just an update really on how Google My Business is working with businesses, particularly local small businesses, and the current shutdown with COVID-19. So this is really just to make you aware that as well as the fact that you have your normal way to update your business and you can post an update, you can also be given some free posters that can explain your situation. So it could be that you're doing takeaway service if you're a restaurant, or it could be that you're doing delivery service, or you even have a drive-through service for your company. So Google has provided some free marketing material as well. So I'm just going to take you there. Well, I had a recent video that showed you how all the marketing works for free in Google, and this is what you can get for COVID-19 as an update. So the way you do this is you go to marketingwithgoogle.com and then you enter your business, and once it's found your business, as long as you've got a verified business, you can then go to this section here that gives you basically all sorts of marketing posters and things you can download and print. And again, I've got a video that will show you how to do this. So I'll put the details of how you get here and how that works in a link above. But I just wanted to point out this is new. So I know this works for, I'm in the UK. I know it also works in America and quite a few other countries. It may not work in every country yet, but it's just about giving you an opportunity to put posters up and at the same time to give them the information that ties in with your Google My Business situation, and also allows a bit of room for you to put some information too, maybe an update. So just so you can see here, you can change the message. So the message at the moment is stay safe with a drive-through pickup, but it could be that you've got special hours, so you can print that one off. It may be that you want to say we do takeaways or deliveries. So this is particularly useful for shops that maybe have really had to go for a different way of making their business work or tick over. So drive-throughs, or it could just be you're temporarily closed and you just want to put that sign up. But the nice thing about this is it's tying it in with your business. It ties it in with your information on Google, puts your telephone number and so on, and it fits in really with the rest of the marketing kit that Google's providing. So it may just be something to consider. So you've got that combined with the fact you can update your business hours, and you can post an update on your Google My Business. You can explain exactly what the COVID-19 situation is. And I think ultimately we hope that most businesses can survive this shutdown period and come out the other side, and hopefully then continue to get back to a relatively normal type of business in the coming months ahead. But I thought I should just raise this because it's a really useful little tip that's only just been released by Google. So I suppose what I can ask is comment below if it does work in your country. Let me know which countries it works in. Let me know if you're going to use this as well, because some people may just be aware of it but not use it. But if you do use it, or if you're not going to use it, let me know in the comments below, and I look forward to updating you again soon on how Google My Business is continuing to help smaller businesses stay alive, keep going under these difficult times for you. Here's 2 more videos that hopefully are going to help you grow your business on Google My Business.